Friends, welcome to our physics class. In this class I am going to explain about radioactivity. What is radioactivity? Some elements emit some radiation. The elements which radiates radiation are called radioactive substances. Here, why the elements emits radiation? You all know that every atom is consist three subparticles. They are electrons, neutrons and protons. Electrons revolve around the nucleus, and inside the nucleus there are two subparticles. They are protons and neutrons. In case the protons and neutrons are in balance, then atom is instability. Atom is in condition of instability. Elements above 82 atomic number, all elements above 82 atomic number are in stable condition. So they are radioactive substances. Why? What is the reason? The huge elements, large elements inside the nucleus, the number of protons and neutrons are in balance. They are not in balance, not equal. If they are equal, they will get some attraction force and settle down in certain bond. They will be inside the nucleus. In case if the neutrons are less, protons are more, because of repulsive force, the atom will expand. So that is unstable condition. More protons, same positive charge particles, and repulsive force between same positive particles cause the expansion of nucleus and unstable condition. That is the reason for instability. In second case, in case neutrons are more, protons are less, here neutrons occupies more space in the nucleus and protons are pushed away, and these protons are affected by electrons in the valence cells. So here also instability in the atom. So here what should be, to get the stability, number of protons and number of neutrons should be equal, and then only there is a particular bond will form inside the nucleus. If there is any difference in the number of neutrons and protons, then the atom get instability. So to get the stability, what will happen? Those elements emit the radiation in the form of particles and radiation. So that is called radioactivity. The substance which emit the radiation is called radioactive substance. See the structure of atom. Inside the atom, nucleus present in the middle of the atom. Here inside the nucleus there are two subparticles, protons and neutrons. They are equal in numbers. That is why they hold together, and the atom is in a stable condition. In case if there is imbalance, not equal, what will happen? Excess proton cause emitting the alpha particles. Excess protons cause emitting the alpha particle by the substance. The substance release alpha particles because of excess in protons inside the atoms. So alpha particles are released as radiation. Alpha particles are positive particles and equal to helium structure. Protons and helium structure with two protons and two neutrons, and emits alpha particles. In case excess in neutrons, what will happen? Neutrons emit the beta particles. The neutron yellow color particles, see, neutrons, they are emitting beta particles and convert as protons. They convert as protons. So by that number of neutrons will be decrease and get the stability. Atom get the stability by emitting beta particle. Now what changes have taken place here? See, when alpha particle is released, then atomic number decreases 2 and mass decreases 4 and form a new element, new atom. Here see, when atomic number is decreased 2 and mass is decreased by 4 and form new substance. Here given example, observe the given example here. A substance uranium convert as thorium. Uranium convert as thorium by decreasing atomic number 2 and mass 4. See this example. By emitting alpha particle, mother nucleus changes another nucleus. Now, when beta particle is emitted, what will happen? Proton increases. I already told emitting beta particle cause number of protons. One proton increases by emitting neutron convert as proton. So proton increases in the nucleus. So that is why atomic number increases, but no change in the atomic mass. Observe here, atomic, see this equation here. Yellow color are neutrons emitting beta particle, and that neutron convert as a positive particle. Yes, what are the changes taken place here? When beta particle is emitted to decrease the neutrons, beta particle emitted and neutron convert as proton. Here increases atomic number. Atomic number only increases, but no change in the mass, because beta particle is equal to electron. Beta particle is equal to electron structure. So you know that electron has no negligible mass. So no change in the mass, only atomic number increases by 1. So here example, carbon convert as nitrogen. Carbon atomic number is 6. Now after emitting the beta particle, it convert as nitrogen by increasing 1 atomic number. But you observe mass no changes. Mass 14 remains as it is, no changes in the mass. Finally, after emitting alpha particle, beta particle emits. After emitting beta particles, gamma particles. Why? After emitting alpha and beta particles, the substance get exciting position. To get the stability, they release energy and they get the stability. Atom get stability by releasing energy. That energy is released in the form of gamma particles. When gamma particles are released, no change in the mass, no changes in the atomic number. Just energy only released and get the stability. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.